Hello everyone, how are you? I hope everyone is well. Today I am to show how to replace Lili bank card. So let's go. Click three dot and then click here my Lili card. See last 4 digit 5933. So now click go setting and see order new card. There is few option. My card was stolen, my card was lost, my card is damaged. I am select my card was lost, then continue, then confirm address. Are you sure want to cancel your card? No, so I don't want to cancel it, so click here yes, done and done. Your card is cancelled. A new card is on its way. Your new digital card will be updated is just few minutes. So click great. Now three dot, card coming in few seconds or few minutes later. We will wait few seconds. See, Lili card is update. So that's how we change Lili card. That's it. Thank you. If you love this video, then subscribe my channel and join my Telegram channel. Thank you.